Dear friends, today I decided to check if ChatGPT can already replace experienced traders and earn more than them. My name is Agatha. Welcome to my channel about earning on binary options. Today I decided to do an experiment. I found a bot from GPT Chat on the internet that can give binary options trading signals. Does it sound unbelievable? So I decided to check it out today and see who can make more money in 10 minutes of trading, me or GPT Chat. Make sure you watch the rest of the video to find out if you trade with a robot or me. What does provide more profit, experience or artificial intelligence? Before we start, I want to remind you that I'm publishing free trading signals in my Telegram channel and personally lead trading sessions that involves more than 1,000 of my subscribers, and we make profit together with them every day. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description right below this video. Subscribe and earn your first profit on binary options today. Now, let's get started. So now I will be trading on the Quotex platform, guided by my knowledge indicators and relying only on myself. On a winning trade, I will increase the amount I enter the trade. On a losing trade, I will stay at the same amount or decrease if my balance turns out to be lower. So to start our competition, I will add two indicators. Today I will choose Bollinger Bands with its default settings, and I will also add the RSI indicator. These are very useful indicators for us. I will tell you how to use them in detail during this video. I will also add the currency pairs that I decided to trade today. I think 3 currency pairs will be enough for us. I usually choose 3 to 5 pairs during the trading session. So let's start our analysis. I have exactly $500 on my balance right now. I suggest we start with the third trading pair. The situation here is not easy. RSI is moving upwards, not very confidently yet, but it's still below the 70 mark. So the market is not oversaturated yet. Bollinger hasn't yet charted a break in the uptrend either, although it has slowed down a bit. I think it would be wise to opt for a call option. I'm going into $50 trade. That's great, the situation wasn't the easiest, but the trade worked perfectly. I have $543 in my account. It's a great start. Let's keep going. Let's move on to the next trading pair. Let's say there is the first trading pair. Well, we've got a red candle coming in, a pretty big one. So most likely this bounce will be overlapped further by a green candle. Although the RSI indicator has crossed the bottom line with a value of 30. More often than not, this is a signal that the market is oversold and the price could rise soon. Therefore, I will choose a call option for $100. Great! The win was $187, and now I have $630 on my balance. The indicator didn't let us down. Always analyze the market situation completely. Don't be guided by an impulse to go into and trade on the trend. Let's see what is happening on the chart of the second trading pair. So we see that we have a similar situation to the previous one, but the RSI is already above the 30 mark. On the Bollinger, we are seeing the continuation of downward movement. I think that the up correctional movement is now coming to an end, and we are at the peak of the green candle. Therefore, I'm taking a put option for $200. Yes, I was quite right. I got $374 for trade and a total of $804 in my account. We will soon find out if the GPT chat can work out even better. Let's move on to the third currency pair. There is something to think about. In fact, the trend is definitely downward. The big slope of the Bollinger Bands confirms it for us. I'm confident that the downtrend will continue and the trend will not be broken. Therefore, I will choose the trend movement and the put option for $370. Did you see that? It was dangerous, but the situation didn't get out of hand and I took the funds deposited. We didn't make any profit, but we didn't lose either. It's not that bad, there is still $804 on the balance. Let's open a new trading pair. So we are seeing an uptrend on the chart. The Bollinger Bands are also steadily inclining upwards. This is all an indication to select a call option. Let's also take a look at the RSI. It is below the 70 level, which means that the market isn't yet oversaturated and a sharp drop isn't expected. I choose a call option for 1 minute and $500. I was absolutely right. That's profit. I get $935 for trade and $1,239 on the balance. It's not bad. I've already more than doubled my balance. Let's make another trend. Let's move on to pair number 2. The situation here is ambiguous. You can't tell its future movement from the chart at a glance. Neither can the Bollinger indicator, but the RSI, which bounced from the lower level, tells us that it's an excellent time to buy. I choose a call option for $550. Great! Congratulations to me! This is one more profit, and we are already $1,718 on the balance. So, the results of my trading sessions are as follows. My balance was $1,718 for 6 trades. Now, the interesting thing is, can the ChatGPT do better? And now, I will try to trade on those signals, which will provide me with the GPT bot, which I found on the internet. I will remove all the indicators as I want to do the analysis myself. And it will take me a couple of minutes to select all the trading parameters in the bot. I withdraw some funds for the purity of the experiment. I also have $500 on my balance now. Let's start. So, the first signal from the bot is Euro and Canadian dollar and put option for a minute. Great, I will enter the trade for $50 as well. I will enter trades for the same amounts as I did it when I trading on my own. Wow, first profit! The bond turned out to be absolutely right. I now have $543 on my balance. Perhaps artificial intelligence really is ready to replace humans. Let's try to another trade. So, I asked the bot for a new signal, for example, for our first trading pair. The bot also suggests taking a put option. So, let's try to a put option for 1 minute and $100. Oh no! That's a bad trade! I lost $100 and now my balance is $443. GPT turned out to be wrong. It happens to everyone, but I thought artificial intelligence could avoid such mistakes. Let's not get upset and continue our experiment. Let's move on to the next pair and request a signal from the bot. Now I also plan to trade with $100 since the last trade wasn't profitable. I will not analyze the chart by myself now and I will just use the bot signal. So we recommend a call option. Wow, great! This is a profitable trade. I'm glad. I now have $530 on my balance sheet. We are right back where we started. That's already good. Let's continue our trading session. Let's move on to the next trading pair. We request a signal from the bot. We need to choose a put option upon the recommendation of the GPT bot. So we do. We choose put option for $200. Great! It's a profit again! Unbelievable! And this bot is not so bad. I have $704 on my balance. This is impressive. Let's see what happens next. So let's move on to the AUSU and Canadian dollar pair. So the bot tells us that the price of the asset will go down and even shows the risk of this trade. This is very interesting. Let's try it. I select an amount of $370 and let's see what the result will be. Get ready for a put option. Oh no! This is a second wrong signal. What a pity! I have $334 in my account again. That's less than the amount the bot started the trade with. In fact, we are down now, so we will see what happens next. Let's move on. One more trade awaits us. I'm requesting a new signal from the bot. Also, please note that I only have $334 on my balance, so my next trade will be for $200 again. So the GPT bot has already sent in its forecast. So according to its forecast, the chart of these trading pairs will move downwards. Let's get ready for a put option. Wow! Pay attention how it was risky. But the profit is already on our balance. And now there is $508 there. I'm glad I'm not at loss at the moment. That's great. So a reminder that there are 2 trades left before our competition is over, although it is already clear that my analysis specifically for these trading pairs and this kind of market was much more accurate. Perhaps its predictions will be more accurate under other situations. However, I don't want to make such experiments and risk my money anymore. So, trading via the bot signals didn't meet our expectations in the end and brought in a profit of only $8. My trading session brought $1,218 in net profit. The victory in the round is obvious for me. Here is my advice to you. Don't fall for all sorts of robots and don't use them. Artificial intelligence cannot replace experience that a trader gains as a result of years. For instance, I've been in the binary options market every day for 3 years, and I've been sharpening my trading skills. Moreover, you have a step-by-step plan on how to make money on binary options. It's all elementary. I give you all the earning possibilities. You just need to subscribe to my free Telegram channel and start trading with me. On Telegram, I give daily trading signals to my community for free, and I give full personal support and help to each member of my community. Look, more than 1,000 people are trading with me every day and making money. Here is just a small part of the appreciation feedbacks I get every day. Subscribe, I will leave the link in the description to this video. By the way, I almost forgot to show you my account at Quotex for the big picture. Do you see the results of my trades? My win rate is more than 86% for the last 5 months. Guys, you know what to do. I'm waiting to you in my Telegram. Subscribe to me. Don't hesitate to send me a personal message and take the first step to reach the next level of income. So that's all for today. I will say goodbye to you. Subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and turn on notifications so as not to miss new episodes. See you soon. Bye bye.